A very good evening to you all. My name is WoremoNgullie and I'm from Nagaland. And recently I'm doing my BTech Civil Engineering from Aryan College, Rajpura. And since we got, I'm in the 8th semester, we have got 2 months of software training and 4 months of industrial training. So in order to take these 2 months software, I have chosen EME Technology, which we got through Ma'am Gurjit, and the software which I've taken from this EME Technology are AutoCAD 2D and 3D, Staad Pro, Revit. So through our instructor Sir Soyam, it was a great experience to be under his instruction because he is so friendly with us, and whatever problem we are facing, he is always there to help us and clear our doubts in every ways. I especially thank our Sir Soyam for helping us in every moment of our difficulties. I thank all the staff members of their hospitalities they are giving to us. So I urge you, my fellow students, those who are going to take the software training, I recommend you to take from EME Technology because it's the best software training where you'll get the best result after it. Thank you.